Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to fastest way to make vertical text in Photoshop. So get really started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see write vertical text. Now going to the toolbar option. Now select from text tool. Now we select from text size. Now select now type what text. Now keyboard press from enter. Now keyboard press Ctrl T. Now resize the text. Now keyboard press OK. Now you can see. Then you show. Now change the color. Now go to the color menu option. Now choose from color. Now OK. Now you go to the text layer option. Now click from text layer. Now click mouse right button option. Now you select from the vertical option. That it's. Now you can see then keyboard press Ctrl T and resize your text. That it's. Now you can see. Then again type for any other text. Now write. That it's. Now you can see fastest way to make vertical text in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.